These are the absolute most comfortable contact lenses I've ever put in my eyes. Hey Royals, look into my eyes. Tell me what you see. I'm just kidding. How are y'all doing? It's Liz here, aka Royal Beauty. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are one of my loyal Royals, welcome back. Today we're going to be all up in my face, all up in my eyeballs. Yes. Yep. Okay, done being weird. Today we're going to be reviewing these contacts that were sent to me from Iris Beauty NYC. This is my first time working with them, but their packaging was so cute. I was so excited when I saw this because I'm a packaging type of person. They sent me 2 of their contact lenses. I don't know why I said that because, of course, you're going to send me 2. How am I going to review 1? But they sent me some contact lenses. I went ahead and washed my hands and put them in. I'm going to tell you guys everything about them, but for starters, they come in that packaging right here, and I got the color Pure Brown. I'm going to put them in, show you my initial reaction, and then I'm going to tell you guys my review. Let's do it. It feels so good.
It feels like nothing?
At first I was like, dang, did I do it right? Oh my gosh. I know I sound crazy, but honestly, sis, anytime I've ever put any contact in my eye, it's so uncomfortable. Girl, tell me about it. Wow, I'm impressed. Oh, nah. They're going to get them a good review. Look at me. Hair looking crazy and my eye watering, but it feels good. It looks natural. I don't see no lines. I could really get away with being like, these my eyes. I don't know if you see? Cute. I love it. It's really chill. It's not like, oh my god. Yeah, I love it. It looks like your eyes. The heck? I love it. But I'm impressed though. I'm impressed. I hope I was recording. Was I recording that? Yeah. I'm just mad my hair look crazy, but we're gonna get this in order in a second. Alrighty. Hey there, Royals. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and I'm coming at you barefaced because I'm getting ready to run through my routine. Just getting ready for shooting. I'm gonna shoot today. So I'm just getting ready for that. Nothing special, just having fun. But I will be doing my makeup, my hair. I got these new contacts in that I'm reviewing for you guys. They were sent to me from Iris Beauty. Oh my gosh, I'm dripping. I'm dripping. I'm dripping. Not on my pretty box. The color that they sent me is Pure Brown. They give you the little manual. I guess it's for putting them in. The diameter of the lens is in here, the center thickness, the base curve, the spherical powers of it. I don't normally wear contacts. I don't normally wear glasses, but I do play around in color contacts all the time. I haven't in a while, but I do love color contacts. I've been playing with them for years, here and there, just to kind of play around. I love my perfect brown eyes. I don't have any issues with my eyes. I love them just the way they are, but it's just fun to play in contacts, especially when you do makeup. It adds a little extra pop to your makeup look. But you know, a lot of people, some people don't like that, especially for brown girls. They feel like us putting in contacts is like trying to look like, I don't know. It's always somebody got a problem with something. Let me tell you something. My channel, my realm, my eyes, you know, my tribe, my royals, the ones who are feeling me and love it will love it. So hopefully you guys are feeling them. First, let me just tell you right now, these are the most comfortable contact lenses I've ever put in my eyes. Okay, I don't even feel them right now. They don't even, if I wasn't looking at myself in the mirror, I would have probably forgot that I had them in. That's crazy. It's unheard of for me because no matter what, I've never been able to find contacts that are comfortable and don't irritate my eyes by halfway through the day. Not only are they comfortable, but then they look realistic AF. Like, sis, these look like my eyes. Excuse the shenaniganry that's going up on my head. I know it's probably hard for you to focus. I'm going to be my face later so you guys will be able to see the finish, the overall looking cute look. But before I washed my face and did everything, I wanted you guys to see this. Sis. And as you get closer, I'm going to try to get close on it. So I'm going to try to show y'all really what, from side to side. Try to move my eye so y'all can see. But as I get further and further away, it just starts to look even more natural. I actually picked the color. I didn't pick the color. So I think whoever decided that this color was going to work for me, you did that. Kudos to you, boo. The color is perfect. Like the tone, it fits me perfectly. So impressed. I've never been, and I'm not saying I'm not that one. If you're new to my channel, hey, hello, hi. My name is Liz. I don't BS with my channel. Everything on my channel is going to be for real, for sure. No, I'm not doing no fake for you. Send it to me. It's free. I'm going to tell you some BS crap. I don't do that on my channel. So if you're new, now you know. And I can't wait to try some other ones. I don't really have that much else to say, sis. I'm not too sure. This is my first contact video, like color contact video. So I'm not too sure what people would want to know about the contacts other than what I've already said. I'm pretty much just winging this one. So if there's anything that I did not answer, please forgive me. Just comment down below, DM me. I'm very responsive on my Instagram. If you want to and you don't want to ask your question in the comment section below, then just go ahead and DM me on Instagram, royal_beauty. I will put it somewhere here. I definitely want to thank Iris Beauty for sending me this. If you want to check out their website and see what else they have, want to try out this color, they have a bunch of them on their website. They did give me a code for my royals. I'm gonna drop it somewhere here, how much percentage you get off, or dollars, or how much, what the perk is. But I do have a code for you guys. I will place it in my description box, as well as all of the information on Iris Beauty. If you are not one of my loyal royal subscribers, please consider joining the realm by subscribing today and hitting the like button if you enjoyed this video. Notification squad in the house. I love you guys so much. And that's about it. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm about to go do what I need to do for my hair, and I'm shooting that video too. So if you want to see me get glammed up and see the final result of, you know, the look, me doing my makeup, I'm going to shoot a separate video and then post that after this one. I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in for another video. As always, stay royal.